How to become a supermodel?
How you become a supermodel is the amount of work you get, not the number of years. You have to be versatile. You have to be very, very consistent. Be professional from the word go. Don't let down anybody on timings. Do not make comments about it.
How to become a supermodel?
You have to be very, very consistent. As a model, you always have to be fit. You can never slip on your physical form. You have to be versatile. You have to be able to deliver what a designer or a show director is asking for. That is why they'll take you back, right? How you become a supermodel is the amount of work you get, not the number of years. But has everybody in the season used you? Then from nobody, by the end of one season, you're suddenly right on top. Why? Because everybody has had a click with you. That depends on you and the personality you bring. Be professional from the word go. Don't let down anybody on timings. Don't make silly excuses about timings. Flat ho gaya tire, ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya. Be professional. Be there before you are called for. That's the first thing. When you are there at your job, from the time you are there on someone's time. Be attentive to it. If there's a fitting, don't make a noise about why am I sitting, what am I doing. You're there for a fitting. Wait your turn. When you're given an outfit, however silly or stupid you may find it, do not make comments about it. Be professional. Stand in the outfit. Be professional at all times. Then we go on to the show day. Reach at the right time. Be there at the right time. Do your rehearsal well. Don't make a mistake. Basically, be so disciplined. Be so perfect. And of course, on the ramp, be so perfect that they have to keep calling you back. You're a supermodel only if you're called back and back and back by every designer. And every season, we will have this one or two models who will be new and everyone is talking about them and everyone wants them for a shoot, for the magazine. So be that model. And you can be that model. You have to have the confidence.
Or you can become the doctor for all the choreographers and backstage managers and the photographers and the designers. Whenever they have a back pain, yeah.
They all call you.
They all
Everyone
call me.
calls you.
Knee pain, back pain.
Yeah, how nice. Yeah.
That's the other way.